something a little bit different. I'm going to be going, as I said in the last video, on a 7-day detox, and that's going to include a detox smoothie in the morning, a big bowl salad for lunch, and a detox dinner. So I'm about to go to the farmers market and get all the ingredients for that. I thought I'd go to the farmers market instead of the supermarket because the veggies are, I think, a bit more fresher, and plus it goes a long way to supporting our local farmers community. To help me with today's shopping, I've got my girl Carla with me. Hey y'all! So the list that I have is a long list with shitloads of veggies that I need to get. It's a week's worth of breakfast, lunch and dinner. There's things on that list that I didn't even know existed. I had to Google to see what the hell it actually is. So hopefully they've got everything that I need. I'll also need to make a supermarket run to get some things for the salad dressings, Dijon mustard, blah blah blah. Things that you just don't normally have in your damn fridge, right? So we're in Wellington City today, and it's actually quite a beautiful day. You can't beat Wellington on a beautiful day. So we're finally back home. I've got tons of veggies that I went and bought. Some celery, a whole heap of spinach. We've got some beautiful coriander. And I'm telling you, the farmers market is actually so much cheaper. This was $1 per bunch of coriander. We've got some beautiful broccoli. These were $1 each as well. It's freaking huge for $1. I mean, seriously, you go to Pack and Save and you're bound to spend at least $3 for something that tiny. I got a whole heap of kale. These were, I think, maybe $2 a bunch. So these are all the veggies we got, guys. And this is what I'm going to be eating over the next week. We've got some celery, some spring onion, heaps of kale, spinach. There's some mint leaves over here, Brussels sprouts, some coriander, radish, a pineapple, some garlic, and then heaps of fruit, carrots, capsicum, cucumber, and some brock. And now to get chopping. So first up, we're going to be making a detox drink using all of the ingredients you see before you. All you need to do is chop it all up, chuck it in some water, let it infuse overnight inside the fridge, and bam! This one is called flat tummy water. Oh yes, give me some of that. Right guys, so next I'm going to chop up some ready-made snacks to keep in the fridge. I'm also going to store it in a jar of water to keep its freshness and also to stop it from drying out. What up, strivers? I can't do this shit with you here.